me. Come on, again. Go. Good kick. Oh, hey. Run with it, but you gotta kick the ball. You gotta dribble. Go. Get it. Go get it. You're not a goalie.
You want to be a goalie, Quinn?
Get it. Get it with your feet, Quinn.
I'm gonna get it.
Kick it.
Ah! Give it to me. No, to me.
Come on.
Me.
Oh, I snorted.
Oh, kick off, Quinn. Pass it to me. Pass it to me. Right here.
Come on. No, it's okay. She's fine. Okay, let's go. Come on. You're a tough cookie. You're okay. Come on, let's go. Yes, shake it up. Shake it. Let's go. Come on, here. There's the ball. Take it. She's trying to take it from you. I got her. Go run that way. Score a goal. Score a goal. Oh. Hey, stop. You're okay. Get up.
Check her back, please.
Come on. Stop, Luna. Stop. Come on, score the goal. Score your goal.
Just wrapped it in the house.
Help her, Dahlia.
It's out. You just swallowed it.
Help her, Dahlia.
You got it. Okay, let's go. You're going to be done vegetarian pretty soon.
Pass.
No.
Come on. Kick it in there.
Go. Pass it to me.
Pass to me.
Go get it, Quinn. Go get it. Kick it.
Oh my God.
Tell her to kick it.
I'm going to be the goalie.
Okay, you be the goalie, but you got to kick it. Go. Again.
Kick.
Kick.
Yeah.
You're the goalie. I'm going to score. Move. No. Here, you got to go back. You're the goalie.
Go back over here.
Come on, you got to stop the ball.
Stop the ball, Quinn. Stop the ball.
I'll help you. Come on. Stand right here. And I'll help you. The ball's going to come this way.
Score. I'm going to kick it. Go!
Hey, don't throw it. Do it. Kick it. But she kicked me.
Yeah, baby. Kick it, Quinn. Kick it. Get it from Papa. Kick it.
Okay, go.
Kick it, Quinn. Kick it. Well, look at the ball, honey. Look at the ball when you kick it. Oh, good.
You're out there.
Okay. Quinn. Wait. Okay, you want to kick it? I'm going to be the goalie.
Go.
No. You can't do that.
It's like soccer and football and basketball all in one. What's going on, Quinn?
Now punch it.
Yeah. Get it from Papa. Let her get it, babe.
Yeah.
Kick it, Quinn. Kick it with your feet, not your hands, honey.
No, give it to me. No.
Kick it, Quinn.
No, it's my job.
Okay, go ahead, get it, Quinn. Babe, she's starting to get frustrated.
Get her! Get it!
Go get it! Go get it for Papa!
Oh my god.
You got that ball in the middle of the field.